In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email signature in Zoho Mail. Having an updated and professional email signature is a crucial aspect of effective communication, and getting it right can significantly enhance your correspondence. So, let's dive in and explore how you can easily accomplish this task. First, you'll need to log in to Zoho Mail. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to https://mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're a frequent user, you're likely familiar with this process, but if not, don't worry, it's straightforward. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to the Settings section. Look for the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to customizing various aspects of Zoho Mail to suit your needs. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can tweak numerous features of your email experience. Now let's focus on updating your email signature. In the Settings navigation pane on the left, you'll want to click on the Mail tab. Within this tab, you'll find an option labeled Signatures. Clicking here will direct you to the Signature Settings page where you can manage and edit your email signatures. Once you're on the Signature Settings page, you'll see a list of any existing signatures you've created. Click on the signature that you wish to update. This action will open up the Signature Editor, a space where you have the flexibility to modify your signature as you see fit. This could involve changing the text, adding your company logo, including hyperlinks to your social media profiles, or experimenting with various formatting options to make your signature stand out. After you've made the desired changes to your signature, it's crucial to save these updates. Simply click the Update button. This is typically found at the bottom of the editor, and clicking it will ensure all your modifications are saved, effectively updating your signature for future emails. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully updated your email signature in Zoho Mail, ensuring that each email you send is accompanied by a polished, professional sign-off. Remember, a well-crafted email signature can leave a lasting impression on your recipients and convey important information at a glance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and